Introducing our new Arteza acrylic paint. This set includes 14 rich and vibrant colors. Everything from titanium white to lemon yellow, pale green to ultramarine blue. Each one of the 14 premium colors in the set is made from the finest materials to provide true consistent color. When you're painting, you should let your imagination and creativity run wild, not worry about whether your paint is safe. That's why our paint is certified safe with the Art and Creative Materials Institute, so you can have a peace of mind. The paint comes in durable soft paint pouches that save space and are super easy to use. You can squeeze out just the right amount with no spillage. When you're painting large paintings, you need a lot of paint. The last thing you want to happen is to run out of paint when you're in the middle of an inspired piece. These large pouches give you ample paint to work with, so you can finish your masterpiece. It's also great for art classes.